it's Elizabeth from Madera Green Moments. Welcome back. Today I am unboxing my November Essential Rewards order. Myrrh! That was weird. Myrrh! I sound like a cat. Gold, frankincense, myrrh, Christmas gifts for baby Jesus. So what do I always say? If it's good enough for baby Jesus, good enough for me. Hope you guys are having a good day. I am obsessed with this new YL Go shipping. My products are coming so much faster than they were the old way. So usually it was like 2.5 weeks, but now it's getting here within the week. So what I do normally is I set my processing date for later in the month. And then once I have my ER order ready, like I go back in and finagle it a few more times. I don't know if you guys do that, but like I change my mind and I'm going to do something a little bit different. So what I do once I've finalized it, I say process today. And usually it does. It processes right when I say process today. I think I'm going to put this a little bit out of frame so that way I have a little bit more room to show you some of the stuff I got this month. I placed, I don't know, a good size order. I didn't go all the way to like 400 PV this month. Oh, I got another holiday catalog. I did a whole flip through of this catalog a few weeks ago to share with you guys just kind of what was available if you hadn't seen the catalog yet. Some of you guys were like, how do I get one? I'm like, it usually comes in your October order and then again in November and sometimes December. Packing stuff. All right, lots of stuff in here. Oh my goodness, okay. A lot of you guys asked me if I was going to place any orders in the holiday catalog as soon as it came out, and I didn't. And the reason why is because you couldn't buy it on Essential Rewards in October. You had to wait for November 1st. So some of the stuff already sold out, so I was recommending to you guys, like, place the order right away if there's something you really had to have and you'd be super bummed if it went out of stock. But I like placing my orders on Essential Rewards because then I get points back for free stuff. So I usually don't place a quick order unless we're in like super need for something. So this was in the holiday catalog. It's the Energizing Shower Steamers, and you got 4 shower steamers, and if I'm not wrong, I think they were like 20 bucks. So these are not for like the kids for every single bath because they will go quick, but these are new to Young Living. This one is Citrus Fresh, bright aromas, 5 citrus oils, float through warm shower steam to create an energizing aromatic experience. So normally what I do is when I want to breathe deeper, I put some essential oils just on the bottom of the shower as well as on my chest or on my back. But this is something you put on the floor of the shower or the shelf where it gets wet, but outside of the main shower stream. So you don't want to put it right down where the water comes down. And then you can breathe that in. So I'll let you guys know how it goes. I'll definitely do a product review and share with you. Let's check it out what this packaging is like. So it's kind of like a Ziploc on the top. And oh my gosh, it's so aromatic as soon as you open it. Oh, it's like a little disc. It kind of feels like dish detergent or homemade laundry detergent. Oh, that's amazing. All right, you DIY girls, I'm sure you're gonna come up with really cool ideas for this. I might just like store this in my like clothing drawer for when I'm ready to use this. This is giving off so much Citrus Fresh just by opening the bag. So maybe not store them in my bathroom. Maybe I'll put them in like my closet or in my underwear drawer if I want it to smell like Citrus Fresh. That's cool. Did you guys get these? I'm excited about that. And guess what? I couldn't decide, so I got the other one too. They had 2 to choose from. They had the Citrus Fresh, which we have an essential oil for that, but this one is not an essential oil. This one is Easy Breeze. So let's see what oils are in this one. Peppermint and eucalyptus. So I think these are great for like the fall time. Yeah. Yes. So I'm assuming this is going to be very aromatic if the other ones were too. Oh, can't smell it yet. It's still zipped. Let's see. Whoa, mama. That is so minty. It smells like a candy cane. Yeah, like, you know, right as soon as you peel back that plastic wrapper, whoa, that's intense. All right, I'm gonna save these for when I absolutely need like an invigorating deep breath of fresh air in the shower, but these are gonna be more like spa-like. Whoa, these are intense. Okay, I'm excited. I was wondering if they were gonna be potent. I might keep these in the bathroom. I don't know if I want my clothes to smell like mint, but it'll definitely smell fresh. All right. I just posted on Instagram not too long ago about Nitro. And I said, goodbye coffee, hello Nitro. I am changing up the way I'm eating. I love to eat healthy, but I also love chips and sweet stuff here and there. And I just thought I need to kick things up a notch lately. A whole bunch of you guys were praying for my dad not too long ago, and I appreciate it. And so I've made a commitment to him as well as my family to just change the way I'm eating to support my family. And one thing that I'm obsessed with, and if you saw my video not too long ago about my favorite coffee, and we just put a coffee bar in, so it's ironic that I'm doing Nitro right now, is I love coffee, but I love it with sugar. And I love sugar and cream in my coffee. So I've bought stevia, but I just haven't made the swap yet because I'm so stuck on I love my coffee the very specific way I love it. And so what I thought I'm going to do for like 2-3 weeks is just drink Nitro in the morning, because if you guys have seen, I've done that before. I've gotten off of coffee by drinking a Nitro every morning in my Ningxia Red. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to try to see if I can do coffee with like almond milk and maybe stevia. But the reason why I didn't just do the swap really quick is because I really, really like love my coffee with cream and sugar. Like it's just perfect, and I've gotten the perfect combination, and it's my favorite. I've got my hot version and my cold, and I figured, you know what, if I'm able to do the swap, maybe I need to like cut out the sugar and the dairy for like a little while and then just see if I can go back. So that's what I'm doing. If you guys want to see like a what I eat in the day video, maybe I'll do something like that soon. Let me know if that's something you're interested in seeing. Like we have gone almost, well, you know I'm plant-based because I'm vegetarian, but like cut out majorly all the processed stuff. So we're eating extremely clean. I feel really good, but yeah, we're just making some real lifestyle changes. Our whole family is, so. All right, so Nitro. That was a long explanation about why I got Nitro, but no, I haven't given up coffee because you guys know I'm obsessed with my coffee, but I thought I'm just gonna give it a break for just a few weeks to see if I can like get it out of my system and then see if I can try doing it with stevia. Do you guys have any tips for doing it with stevia? Like, is there a brand that you like better than another for iced coffee or hot coffee? I normally do just like 1 teaspoon of sugar in my coffee, and so I'm not sure how much stevia to do. I don't know. I'm trying. I can't do straight black coffee. I love the cream and sugar, so. There's a lot in this box. Maybe I'm gonna get a few things out here and then I can show you. Okay. Ningxia Red. I wasn't gonna place this on my order this month, but this time of year, Ningxia Red is imperative for our Staying Above the Wellness line. And we have 2 bottles in our cabinet and 1 in our fridge, and I just don't want to run out. And so I got 2 more just to have as a backup. Maybe I won't need to order it next month, but we drink 1 to 2 ounces every single person in my family. And then if we feel like we're going to go below the wellness line, we definitely do at least 1 more that day, if not more than that. But Ningxia Red, so important. Our lives are going to get super busy here in the next few weeks. I'm sure you guys understand with Thanksgiving and Christmas. So, myrrh. That was weird. Myrrh. I sound like a cat. Myrrh essential oil, I love for skincare. That's what I use myrrh for. So, myrrh, amazing. Gold, frankincense, myrrh, Christmas gifts for baby Jesus. So, what do I always say? If it's good enough for baby Jesus, good enough for me. I don't know why I say that. It's ridiculous. These are freebies too. 5 milliliter of nutmeg essential oil and a 15 milliliter of Christmas Spirit. I have a 15 milliliter of Christmas Spirit with the old label, and I've had you guys ask me, where did you get that? It was a promo, and now you can only buy the 5 milliliter, and I think it's only like $10. So usually in like August, September, October, I add that to my ER because the month of December, this lives in our diffusers. In fact, that's what I have going this morning, and it's just like warm and cozy, and I just feel like I should be playing Christmas music. But then a 5 milliliter of nutmeg, delicious in your baked goods. I actually love it in coffee too. I have a whole video on nutmeg in my coffee. Maybe I should do that, and Nutmeg and stevia. See if that changes things up for me. Northern Lights Black Spruce, yay! I love this. This is from our Canadian farms, not mine, Young Living's farms. And it smells unbelievable, like Christmas trees. Man cologne. Calming and grounding and delicious, and just makes you feel like, okay, I need some cozy socks on and a roaring fire and we are good to go. It's just delightful. All right, I have one more tube here and I know what's in it because I went to a class last month. If you do not attend classes with your upline, it is so important for growing and learning in this business, not just for the business side, but for your health and wellness. I feel like I know a lot about essential oils. I don't think I know everything, but I feel like I know a lot. I know a lot of the basics, and every single time I go to a class, I walk away learning something like mind-blowing, jaw-dropping, we need this for our family. And so I just learned something new, and not just from our upline, but also crossline members, and I meet new friends. And so we were talking about hair last time, and another thing we were talking about is digestive support and supplements that everybody should be on. And this is not vegetarian, so I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do it, but I have gotten this for my husband, and then also thinking about for my extended family too. But our upline was talking, and then I did a lot of research on fish oil and how you need to be careful where you get it from, but it's important for everything to work properly, and we don't get the right nutrients that we need from our food, just our food. And so Young Living Omega-Gize, it's an omega-3 fish complex, has vitamin D, CoQ10, and essential oils. So this is Omega-Gize. I'm wondering if it's going to taste fishy, smell fishy. I know some of the capsules aren't vegetarian that I take here and there, and so I've just kind of decided that I cannot call myself a vegan because I feel like that's way more in-depth than being vegetarian. It's more of a lifestyle than just food, and I don't roll that way, but when it comes to eating, I just don't eat meat. However, I do take supplements sometimes that are not vegetarian, but I try really hard to. I just wish all of them were vegetarian. I wish we could get what we need from fish oil from the earth, but okay. They don't smell bad. Scared. They look creepy though. They look creepy. Okay, these are not, they don't look like a gel cap. They look like a plastic pill cap. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can see. See? Like there's oil in there. So I really recommend that you guys, I really want to encourage you to always do your own research and figure out what's best for you, for your family. This is something that I learned a lot about at the last class I went to. If you guys want me to share with you about Omega-Gize, let me know. I might do a video, we'll see. That is today's video today, sharing with you guys what I unboxed. If you do videos on YouTube and unbox stuff too of Young Living, leave a comment in the comment section below so our oily friends can find you. And it's awesome to support other YouTubers and watch other people's videos too. I love getting inspiration from you guys. If you want to get your hands on any of these essential oils or others, make sure you send me a message or comment down below and I'll help you get started. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I will see you guys in the next one.